Hey, welcome to the video. So recently I repaired this charger. It's a Samsung travel adapter 5 volt 1 amp charger, and yeah, I wanna show you how I did it. See the top there? That's where you have to open the charger. Now I hammered in that part, but I'm pretty sure there's a different way of opening uh, this charger. So as you can see there, I hammered this side at the top, and yeah, that's basically where it opens. It just clips in there. There's no glue, and yeah, so as you can see, there's a circuit board in there and a couple of capacitors. It's quite a simple design. All you have to do is pull out the circuit board. I used a pair of pliers to do so, to avoid like touching the capacitor. So if you're gonna do this yourself, I suggest that you avoid touching the capacitors in case they are charged. So yeah, let me just show you how I did it. Just gotta pull out that board there. Yeah, as you can see, just circuit board, it just gets pushed down into the pins there. It's protected by this black seal. The capacitors are, you don't really have to remove that when repairing the broken part that I repaired, but I was exploring this at the time, and yeah, just wanted to see what's underneath it, because initially I wanted to remove the USB from the circuit board until I realized that the pins are a bit loose. Let me show you which pins exactly were loose. So this is the part behind the USB. There's a USB, and on the other side of the USB insert, you'll see there are two pins that are not exactly, well, they're broken off the circuit board. If you can see, the contacts are still there in place. It's just both pins are loose. So the voltage plus and ground voltage minus just needed to be soldered on. So I went ahead and soldered that on. Yeah, now that it's soldered on, just checking the contacts there and make sure that they are in place and there's no loose contacts or other contacts that are made, and put it back into the charger. I forgot that case that protects the capacitors. I should have put that in there, but for testing nothing bad happened, so that's cool. I used my power bank just to test if it really works. Cool, it works. So after all of this was done, actually I still wanted to desolder the USB female port, and I went to another charger that stopped working, a Huawei charger, and tried to see if I could desolder it or potentially fix it after seeing what I did with this one. And yeah, turns out it had the same problem. So if you have a charger that potentially stopped working. You might want to look into checking those contact pins from the USB female port. Yeah, they might have just come loose. It might not be a serious problem, and if you solder it back yourself, then it might work. With the Huawei charger though, it doesn't open at the top, it opens up at the bottom, and I guess you'll have those kind of different designs with different models of chargers. So yeah, just find out where the opening is, where the charger was sealed. Open it up, check it out. Hopefully you guys had the same problem that you could fix yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Bye.